Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with a Color Street Color Play unboxing. This is the June 2024 Hot Tropics box, and I just got it today. Had to wait till after work and after my workout and showering and eating, and I'm in the middle of prepping sourdough for bread for tomorrow. So yeah, I've got like 10 minutes to do this, and I thought, let's do it. Let's pack it all in. But if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am usually doing nails and just talking about life, but today we are unboxing the Color Street Color Play sub box, and I like to get first impressions on camera so that I can look back and go, oh, I changed my mind about that, or oh yeah, no, I still think this. So yeah, I haven't seen any spoilers or anything, but I am excited to see my other nail friends do their unboxing videos and all of that and get their opinions. So let's get into this so I can go finish prepping my sourdough and watch some other unboxing videos. Alright, as normal, I am going to flip that over and not look at it, and look at that gift later. And let's do the nail sets first. Just as usual, they have the Color Street nail prep pad. It's an alcohol wipe and a Color Street nail file. And let's get into this. What is this box here? Hot Tropics. Are we gonna get anything that looks like that? I mean, this box right here looks like it, but we shall see. Fierce Florals is the first one here. Let's take a look. Looks like a dual-ended French. Ooh, oh, that does look very much like the box. And in fact, that little animal print there almost reminds me of the May Electric Abyss sub box. Oh, that is a beauty. I'm definitely not wearing that as a tip. That is going to be a full-on nail. Wow, Color Street's really upping their game, and tomorrow is actually their 7-year anniversary, and there's going to be new sets coming out, and I'm like tempted to buy some, but I have so many sets already that I just don't know. It's hard. It's so hard, but oh, Fierce Florals. So that, I love that. It's so beautiful. It's probably actually going to go on my toes because it feels a little busy for my fingers. I don't know. What do you guys think? Hibiscus Heat is the next one. This looks like another full set. Oh my golly gee. That looks like LA Dreams. So Color Street this month, every Friday, is releasing greatest hits, like their best-selling retired sets, and LA Dreams was one of them. And in fact, I have LA Dreams, so let me just see if I can grab that to show y'all really quick as a comparison. Here we go. Visa. Oh, you know what? It's not in my binder. It's probably in... I have another little makeup bag full of other nail sets that I got from other stylists or whatever, from auctions, where there's like, if there's stickers on them, then I gotta, like, here we go. That's LA Dreams right there. So different, but similar. But you can see the difference there. But yeah. There it is. But that is Hibiscus Heat. Alright. And then next, we've got Sun-Kissed. Sun-Kissed. Ooh, another full set. Oh my gosh. That is peachy looking. Oh, and it goes really well with that Hibiscus Heat. Oh, that's pretty. Alright, and then Cherry Sizzle. Wow. These sets are all like the same but different. I love that. I wonder if they're sheer or like jelly like translucent. I guess we'll find out when we read the little pamphlet. And then last but not least, Tropical Twilight. Wow, these are all full sets. Tropical Twilight does not match its name, in my opinion. I don't know. But it's a pretty lavender color. I just don't know how it really goes with all of the other sets. I don't know. What do you guys think? These are all 5 sets right here. And then this is the free gift. Earrings? No way! Color Street does jewelry? Whoa, those are interesting. They're humongous. They're kind of heavy too. I mean, they're pretty, but I don't know if I would ever wear them. But they're very pretty. I don't know. Maybe I will wear them once just to take a photo. But yeah. So that's it. 5 different sets. Earrings. Let's take a look at the pamphlet really quick. Here's the usual share with us. Share your tropical manicure on social media and use the hashtag colorplay to show the world your creativity. I still haven't remembered to do that ever. Colorplay by Color Street, Hot Tropics, June 2024. So in this month's box, embrace the heat with Colorplay's Hot Tropics. This box features 3 vibrant, sultry glitters, shimmery dual-ended French tips, and jungle-inspired dual-ended French glitter tips that seize the beauty of sizzling summer days. Follow one of our looks or create a custom design for a sun-soaked manicure. Bonus item, sizzle in style with stunning multicolored tortoise shell earrings that bring a touch of island paradise to your look. And then meet the strips. So Tropical Twilight, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, dual-ended French shimmer. Admire the Tropical Twilight on your fingers or on your fingertips with these champagne flashed pastel purple dual-ended French tips. Champagne flash. Oh yeah, I guess you can kind of see that. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but you can kind of see the champagne flash. Hibiscus Heat is 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, glitter. This vibrant magenta with scattered holographic glitter blooms under the scorching sun. And then Sun-Kissed, ooh, it glows in black light. Oh, you know, I'm gonna have to. Where is my... Let's turn the lights off. Let's turn the lights off and do this and see. We've got the glow of my computer here, but let's take a look. Sun-Kissed is supposed to glow under black light. Oh yeah, it does. Look at that. I love comparing the sets that glow under black light with my Eupolite owl that I got at a gem show with my panda bear. But yeah, there it goes. It glows. And then the other set that does that is Cherry Sizzle. Not that I'll ever be under a black light for any reason, but it is kind of fun just to see. So it does glow. So there we go. Just to show y'all. Alright. So Sun-Kissed is 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. And feel Sun-Kissed with this lively pink-orange coral with gold and holographic glitter. Cherry Sizzle, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, is a glitter also. Savor the heat with this fiery cherry shade with, or is it fiery or fiery? Fiery, I don't know. Cherry shade with red, purple, and white glitter. And then Fierce Florals, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, dual-ended French glitter design. Stroll through lush rainforest with multicolored dual-ended floral and animal print French glitter tips. And here's this design right here with Fierce Florals. And on the front cover is Fierce Florals and Sun-Kissed. And then on the back cover, is Cherry Sizzle and Sunkissed. And then here we go. Cherry Sizzle, Sunkissed, glows in black light, it says. Fierce Florals, Cherry Sizzle, and then Fierce Florals, Hibiscus Heat, Fierce Florals, Tropical Twilight, and Cherry Sizzle. I don't know. What do y'all think? And my watch is telling me that I gotta go take care of kneading my sourdough and then letting it bulk ferment overnight. So hope you guys like that unboxing. Sorry to cut it off abruptly, but I gots to go. I'll see you all next time. Peace.